All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be the best dad, the best parent, the best uncle, grandfather of all time, then you got to know how to make the best milk and cookies of all time. And if you're going to make the best milk and cookies of all time, you got to have a little pop. You got to have a little pizzazz. You got to have a little flair, and you got to be willing to make a small mess. You can't make an omelet without breaking a couple eggs, and you can't make the best milk and cookies of all time without being willing to spill just a little bit. But the first thing you're going to need is some chocolate sauce. And you get all your glasses for however many kids you have. In my case, I love children, so I've got 5 of them with number 6 on the way. You take that chocolate sauce and you just bring it right across all the glasses one way, then back the other way. Close it up real tight. There we go. And as soon as that's done, you grab your milk. And you gotta be a little careful because you don't want to make an unnecessary mess. But then you just bring it all the way. Ah, yeah. Right there, into the next one, into the next one. If you can get the kids to watch this whole process too, you will garner their attention and their respect. Now, obviously, we're making a little bit of mess, but that's why we've got the paper towels right there. But what's milk and cookies without a little bit of garnish? So we've got some cocoa powder here, and the fancier spoon you can use, the better. I'm just gonna take a little cocoa powder here and just kind of tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh yeah, then let that spoon rest right there, and then you've got to use your straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have it. We've got some amazing milk for our cookies, but you've got to get it all served up too. You want to keep your space nice and clean, so make sure that you clean that up as best as you can, and then we head into the cookies. Now, I am a big no-bake cookie fan. But you gotta have something to serve them on. So make sure that you get your plates. I love using saucers because they're little, they're fancy, and nothing's gonna make these kids more special, more valued than using grandma's fine china. And there you have it, guys. The best milk and cookies that you've ever seen. Enjoy.